Good morning, students. Today we are going to study degrees of comparison. Positive, comparative, and superlative degrees of comparison. Adjectives can change in form slow, slower, slowest to show comparison. For example, Moti has a short tail. It's a positive degree. Tommy's tail is shorter than Moti's. It's a comparative degree. Here we are comparing Tommy's tail with Moti's tail. Moti has got long tail and Tommy has got a still shorter tail. And the third one is Snowy has the shortest tail of all. Here we can see among these three dogs, the Snowy, the last dog, has got shortest tail. So we are telling about comparing with other two dogs and telling that Snowy has got the shortest tail, that is superlative degree. So children, the positive, comparative and superlative degrees are called the degrees of comparison. Now let's see formation of the comparative and the superlative degrees. Add er or est. For example, kind, kinder, kindest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. If the adjective already ends in e, add only r or st. For example, wise, wiser, wisest. Large, larger, largest. And the third one, if the adjective ends in y, replace y with I and then add er or est. For example, lazy, lazier, laziest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Fourth one, for short words ending with a consonant sound, double the last letter and then add er or est. For example, fat, fatter, fattest. Big, bigger, biggest. Red, redder, reddest. The last one, fifth one, for adjectives of more than 2 syllables, add more or most before the word. For example, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. If the comparative and superlative form of adjective cannot be formed in the ways shown earlier, the adjective is called an irregular adjective. Some examples of irregular adjectives and their changes of degrees as follows: positive, comparative and superlative. Examples: good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Far, further, farthest. Much, more, most. Old, older, oldest.